This video demonstrates how to host an Ubuntu virtual machine on a Gearlinx device using its virtualization support. The device used in this demonstration is a Gearlinx NR4400 management appliance that is running firmware version 23761. The same configuration steps can be performed on any Gearlinx device that supports virtual machines, or using Gearlinx 0 to apply the configuration to many devices at once. Ubuntu is one of the most popular Linux distributions available. In this demonstration, we will be hosting an Ubuntu 2204 LTS virtual machine, built for the ARM64 architecture. On the 2204 LTS download page, select Jammy Server Cloud img arm64.img and download the image. The image configuration will be customized using Cloud Init, which is the industry standard method of initial configuration for Linux distributions being deployed into cloud environments. In this demonstration, the NR4400 is being configured using the local web interface. As a first step, the Net1 interface on the device will be made part of a virtual switch, which will allow the Ubuntu virtual machine to be exposed on the same network as the NR4400. On the administration menu, open the Network section, and click Switches. Click Compute to open the configuration for the default Compute virtual switch. Click Add Port and select the Net1 interface. Click Save Configuration. To configure the virtual machine, on the administration menu, open the Compute section, and click Virtual Machines. There are no virtual machines currently configured, so click Add Virtual Machine, and set the name as Ubuntu Demo VM. Click the Ubuntu Demo VM entry, and set a label for the virtual machine, and adjust the resource allocation to suit. In this case, 2 CPUs, and 2 GB of RAM are being allocated to the virtual machine. Click Network Interfaces. A single default interface has been created, using the VirtIO network driver. Click Video Display, and click the tick box to allow video output. Click Cloud Init, and click Enable. Paste in the Cloud Init configuration for the device. In this case, the configuration creates a user named Demo, with the password default. The user is added to the user and admin group, and has sudo enabled. The network interface on the virtual machine is also configured to use DHCP. Click Disks, and select Disk Image File. Expand the Disk Image File section, and select Storage, Disks, User Data, and then click Upload File. Select the Ubuntu VM image that was downloaded, and upload the file to the device. The next step is to add the virtual machine's network interface to the Compute virtual switch. On the administration menu, open the Network section, and click Switches. Click Compute, and then click Add Port, this time selecting the Ubuntu Demo VM network interface. Navigate back to the Compute virtual machines page, select the Ubuntu Demo VM and then click Save Configuration. The status for the virtual machine will update to running. To view the virtual machine video console, click Connect at the top of the screen, and then select Video Display underneath Compute, Virtual Machines, Ubuntu VM. This will show in video console of the virtual machine, allowing the boot messages to be viewed. Once the system boots, the demo user can be used to log in and interact with the device. This demonstrates the successful hosting of an Ubuntu virtual machine.